Hi guys, so it's me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel. So yes, it's been a while that I uploaded a new video here in YouTube. So now is I'm going to share to you my simple recipe of pork ribs. I don't know why, but I really love pork ribs. I like to bite the meat surrounds the bones of the pork. It tastes real good. So yes, so I will only have 5 ingredients: salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and black pepper or red pepper flakes, and the barbecue sauce. Okay, so first is I already washed these ribs. Hugasan ko na to. Tapos let's add some garlic powder. If you want your food very garlicky or your ribs garlicky, you can add more garlic. And then I'll flip it in the other side. My hands are all clean, don't worry. You always need to wash your hand before touching your food. That's my tip. And then after is let's add onion powder. It's up to you if how garlicky or how oniony your ribs are. And then a little bit of salt. Drizzle. And my pepper flakes. I will use pepper flakes instead of red black pepper. Okay, so I don't need to add a lot of pepper flakes since my barbecue sauce is sweet and spicy. And I will drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Okay, let's rub it like this. Massage the food. Massage the ribs so that the ingredients or the seasonings will totally blended and will be totally mixed together. Okay. So here you go. Our ribs with seasonings. Let's start our air fryer. Temperature should be 400 Fahrenheit, and then let's set it as 25 minutes. It depends ha. It depends sa laki at thickness ng iyong ribs, ang iyong pork ribs. Okay. Start ko siya. And then after 10 minutes of air frying this one is I'm going to brush this barbecue sauce on our ribs and then flip it aside. So see you after 10 minutes. Okay guys. After 15 minutes is let's brush the barbecue sauce onto our pork ribs. And then flip natin ulit. Flip natin. Oops. To the other side. Para ma-fully cook talaga ang ribs natin. Okay. There you go. Okay, and let's put this back to our air fryer and continue air frying for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes is let's brush again the barbecue sauce onto our ribs until fully cooked. Para mag-soak talaga yung barbecue. Yung flavor that hindi yung barbecue. Para mag-soak talaga yung flavor. Okay. There. And then I'll put this back on here. And then let it cook again for another 5 minutes. That's the first batch of my pork ribs. And if you don't have air fryer guys, you can really use, or you can fry the ribs and then brush it with your barbecue sauce, or if not, boil the ingredients along with the ribs with 1 cup of water until mag-smooth yung or until mag-soft yung meat ng ribs. That's the tip number 2. Okay guys, luto na ating first batch. So look at this. Look at that. Oh boy. This is our first batch, guys. Oops. Look at this. Then let's load the second batch. Air fry for 40 and then 25 minutes. Start. That's our second load or second batch of ribs. One final step, guys, and we are done. One final step. And start. Okay, guys, so after 15 minutes for our first batch and second batch, ito, luto na ang ating barbecue ribs. Ooh, it looks super pretty. Here we go. Okay. Let's brush the remaining pork ribs with the remaining barbecue sauce. Okay. There you go, guys. Our pork barbecue ribs. Tikman natin if masarap pa siya, ha? Before I will end the video. I like the taste of it. It's sweet and spicy. And it's garlicky too. Okay. So, yes, this is my sweet and spicy barbecue pork ribs. Naabot kaya sa presyo at sa bulsa. So, here we go. So, yes, this is Jeansy Veral again. And ito, tumaba ako kasi kakakain ng cat. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing my channel, and thank you so much for sharing this simple recipe of mine. So again, this is my personal recipe based on the food that I tasted from other restaurants. This is my own recipe. So again, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.